Hello and good afternoon YouTube. In the previous video we have watched what Expo City has to offer in terms of apartments, and we mentioned in that video that will be a part of the video where we are talking about the new project that is focused on townhouses, semi-detached villas and villas. And today this video is all about this. It's called Expo Valley, and believe me, it's like nothing else was done before in Dubai. The way that they have used the technology of the folded earth, they call it folded earth, to reduce the temperature in the community, to make every property has a fantastic view, to make every property has an open view, and to reduce the temperature inside the community and create levels of scenery that never been done in Dubai before. Follow me to watch this video right now about the Expo Valley and what it has to offer. Hello again. Here we are at the amazing, the one and only design and concept of a community that will be soon happening in Dubai, that never been done before in Dubai, that never been done around the world, with this level of sustainability, with this level of greenery, with this level of protected animals and sanctuary. There is no words to describe the hard work that will go into making this beautiful community a really living sanctuary. So let's talk about the Valley Expo. As you can see, there is like layers, and then on the top there is villas, and then these villas are a bit lower, and then these ones are lower, and these ones are lower. What is this, and why they have done it in this way? So the Valley villas, or the Expo Valley villas, have been done in a method that's called the folded land. The folded land, it means that first we raise the level and we make a layer of trees to break the sound that comes from the street, so there is no noise at all for the villas that are on top. And then the other villas that are in front, they come on a lower phase. So these villas, they are not facing from the back another villas. No, they have an uninterrupted views of the beauty and the greenery of this community, because these villas in front of them are lower. Same happening for the villas that are in front, also lower. And then in the middle you have the valley, which will have gazelles, kids play areas, sanctuaries, seating areas and resorts, swimming areas, and many other activities. I'm gonna be putting some photos to show you how the areas is expected to be. So what we have in the valley, we have 3 and 4 bedroom townhouses. The 3 are in the middle and the 4 are on the corner. So this all like a 3 bedroom, this all like a 4 bedroom. And I'm gonna be putting photos also of the townhouses right now. And then we move from the townhouses. So we said we have 3 and 4 bedroom townhouses, and as you can see, nothing is back to back, all of them having amazing views. And we have 3 clubhouses in this community. We have Echo, and we have Retreat, and we have Entertainment. So this is clubhouse number 1, this is clubhouse number 2, and this is clubhouse number 3. What else? After the townhouses, we have duet villas. It means semi-detached villa, where you have 2 villas connected to each other, each of them having like an L-shaped garden. So these duet villas, they are available in 4 and 5 bedrooms, and you can see with amazing views as well. Every unit in this amazing project having a fantastic view. So 4 and 5 bedroom duet villas. And then we head into the masterpiece, which is the standalone 5 bedroom villas overlooking the sanctuary and the lake. The lake, as I came to know from Expo management, that it's going to and the designers, it's going to have special types of fish that feed on the mosquitoes eggs, and there will be no mosquitoes coming out from this water, and there will be a special process for it. So you will be living really in a natural sanctuary, as you saw in the photos. It's really going to be amazing. And now I will take you to see what's the interior of one of these 5 bedroom standalone villas. And by the way, I forgot to mention that they come with an infinity pool right in front of your villa, in the back of your villa, overlooking this fantastic sanctuary. Let's go inside one of these villas and see how the finishing is going to be looking like. So here we are at the entrance of what the 5 bedroom standalone villa is going to look like. It's not the full villa, it's just to show you in real sizes what the 5 bedroom villa is going to offer. The show kitchen and the dining area and the living space is going to look something like this. Marble flooring, natural stones for the countertops, and built-in appliances, Bosch everywhere, and these can be closed as well. So it can be completely closed, as you can see with me. So it can give an amazing look if you are having guests and you want to close it. You want to close it seamlessly, as you can see. And you have the show kitchen here, looking amazing. There's a lot of storage underneath. You have the dining area and the massive living area with plenty of daylight entering. And remember with me please that we are inside one of the pavilions that repurposed to show villa. Outside, as you can see, floor to ceiling windows. And what attracted my eye, that we never saw a corner closing glass before in Dubai, in a master developer until now. This level of details is happening only in personally designed villas. Right now you have it in a master plan. Outside you will have your garden, your pool, and then the view over the sanctuary. As I mentioned, really nice materials. The finishing is on another level. The glass railway is leveled with the ground outside, so it can give you an extension of the living space. Really nice materials being used, nice ideas. I'm so happy to see the developer in Dubai are leveling up and pushing up the standards to offer more and more higher quality and newer designs. Let's move inside into the dirty kitchen or the preparation kitchen. And as you can see, it's fully fitted by Bosch. All the preparation, the built-in appliances, everything that you can see in front of you is going to be available. Of course, there is access to the kitchen to the outside as well, and to the garden as well. And now let us move into one of the bedrooms that this villa has to offer. Again, we are back into the marble flooring. This is one of the master bedrooms that is going to be in this villa. And as you can see, one of the master bedrooms, just to show you the level of details that you can expect from the master bedroom. A walk-in closet with built-in lights. Very nice materials has been used, soft closing. And we move inside for the natural stone bathrooms, double sink. Really nice materials, guys. I'm amazed by the quality. The actual natural stones that's being used here. The bathtub and the walk-in shower and the water closet. Handheld and rain head shower. Let's go into the master bedroom, where you will have floor to ceiling windows, again corner window overviewing your pool and the landscaping and the sanctuary outside. Really big master bedroom. Very, very high-end quality. And this is a shot from the corner, as you can see, for this master bed, one of the master bedrooms in this beautiful villa. That was our trip today, showing you, or our tour today, showing you what we have to offer in the villas of the Valley, Expo Valley. For more information, don't forget to hit the like button. Don't hit it, just touch it calmly. Subscribe, and make sure that you share with your friends and family who are interested in knowing more about properties and how to invest in properties, or how to move into Dubai and get your own house in Dubai. I have WhatsApp, and you can call me, you can email me on this contact information for further details. Take care. Don't forget to share and subscribe. Peace.